Wondering what kind of vehicle you need to start DoorDash in? Here's exactly what's required in 2025. Good news is you don't need a fancy car. Any working vehicle qualifies. There's no vehicle inspection and there are no model or year restrictions in most areas. As long as it runs, it's likely good to go. You'll need a valid driver's license though, insurance, and you must be at least 18 years old. DoorDash will run a background check during signup, but they don't care if your car is old or really has a high mileage on it. So uh, live in dense city too, so you might not need a car at all. Like you just gotta have a bike, and a scooter delivery is available in many zones, so you can choose your vehicle type and applying. Bottom line, I'd say is whether you drive a beater or ride a bike, you can still make money for DoorDash. So it's really easy and helpful. So yeah, hit like, subscribe, and drop what vehicle you're using in the comments. And like always, if you want me to make a video on any topic, just drop that question or doubt down below in the comments. I'll be glad to help.